Oh shit.
Wait.
She's a little dirty right now, but the plan today is to replace this PE carb on the CR80 with a brand new Keihin PWK 28mm carb. Woo!
Might look at it.
Huh?
Look at it a little bit.
Oh yeah, get the shots, get the pink tubes in the lenses. So basically I've been kind of like trying to jet this thing and get it running right. It's like running really rich, still blubbers at the top. I don't know, I swapped main jets, I can't figure it out. So I figured if I'm gonna struggle my wee off with jetting, I'm gonna do it with the PWK because they are a lot better than this PE 28. So I got the PWK plus some extra jets to mess with. And then not in this video, but you can see here, got a bunch of oil coming out of the freaking exhaust because Honda uses this terrible design, like a metal ring gasket, and you put some RTV on it, it lasts 5 hours, and then your bike gets covered in oil. So I actually bought, I'll throw it on the screen here, it's like an exhaust manifold that changes it to an O-ring setup. So we're gonna do that, but that hasn't came yet. So we're gonna swap the PWK on here and then take it for a rip and see if it changes, if I need to make adjustments. And if you're watching this, then it did something. And if this is, if you're not seeing this, well, it fucked up. Ta-da. Okay, so we're gonna start by taking out the seat and undoing the subframe just so I can get in there easier. I'm sure you could wiggle the carb out without doing that, but I'm not gonna fight it. I'm just gonna take this off so I can get a little loose, get this back air boot off, slip this sucker out, throw it in the trash, and then put the brand new one on. Wow. Okay guys, it's in there. I don't know why, but they put the fuel line on the other side. That's pretty dumb, in my opinion, but I haven't started it up or anything. I'm gonna give C-Mole the camera, and we'll see if this fucker starts. Okay, so right now it's like what, 45 degrees, 50 degrees in Michigan?
Yeah, about 50.
This is the big bore. I guess there's some, forgot how you pronounce it or how you say it, the Venturi effect or thing. So basically, because I have a bigger bore than the stock 80, more suction requires smaller jets. So if you were to look at the KX85 versus the KX100, the KX100 is jetted leaner. Sounds weird, I don't know why. So this is set up for an 85, I got a 90 to 92 cc. So it might be rich, but it's 45, 50 degrees out, so it might just be just right. First hit. I didn't touch any air screws, no adjustment, no anything.
Little white puff.
It doesn't sound as choked up as it was the old carb. Diesel carb.
Big guy on a little bike. He likes to make it loud. I think Dad's not home. Grass is little.
Oh, why am I always fucking up your grass?
Why'd you do that?
God damn it. It's still doing that fucking...
What's it doing?
I don't know.
What's it doing?
It sounds like it's loaded up at the top, but I do notice that it pulls really fucking good at the bottom and mid. So it might need a little bit more tuning. Obviously I didn't even touch the air screw or the idle adjustment. I'm running 32:1 of Motul 800 too. My spark plug could be like covered in oil too. Hey, I mean,
Factors, my friend.
yeah, there's so many
Factors.
The next day.
So it's about 60 degrees today. I literally put this carb on the bike and haven't made any adjustments. No air screw, no idle screw, no nothing. So that's why it does want to die, but my old one used to do that too. So I can never get it tuned right. So we're gonna do some ripping, maybe mess with that a little bit, and then just kind of get an overall idea of how this thing is running. I don't know if I said it already, but it's like 60 degrees out right now. 55, 60. So we're gonna put this sucker in there. Holy, that spark plug made a huge difference. Holy shit, this thing runs so fucking good now. Wow. So there you go, guys. There's a nice lesson for you. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe it. So that spark plug might have just had too much oil on it, honestly. I mean, I can tell instantly right away, and I'm sure you guys can too with the sound of it. So yeah, I mean, thing's running good, so it's probably running lean as shit, you know. And I'm gonna blow it up now, so might as well have fun doing it. Holy shit. Hitting that rock. Woo-hoo! So, I just want to say I'm going to come out here with a shovel and like fill some of this in. Christ, this thing is so much better. So there's a lesson for you guys. If you're running into the same issues I am, hey, don't buy a $160 carb, just buy a spark plug. But don't get me wrong, I kind of wanted to do this regardless. So, it's not a total wash. Here, watch, I'm going to go through the mud and compare the bogging that I had before versus now. This thing is running freaking mint now. So I'm gonna power wash this baby and get it beautiful. If you guys subscribe, stay tuned. I'm gonna do an overview of all my bikes, shoot it like MXA style, you know.